어디다? 아야, 당장 또. 사기 되는 하거든. 사기 어디다? 아무튼 아마 헬프 걸어. 오늘 디스팅구이스 레디 해야 돼. 밑에 기타 보일라.
No. Again.
Circumstance.
Why don't you just talk to her?
Why? So she could
I can see two ladies here. Oh, hold on it.
Angonam eta jinis to ka kulet to rasi hana thamma shiro karigina se hana log to isho kulet to rasi hana log
I don't know how to appreciate for the chanting anyway. Thanks.
Nupur.
Mr. Sharma, special guest will be
Huh? Aku kau nak ayah lagi. Nopur. Lấy phăng nghe, lấy phăng nghe gì?
Especially myself, I do apologize for the inconvenience of this association and convention. I think all of you consider and for the sake of the community. Now, I would like
Anyone who minds can keep quiet. At least we managed all to get together in one place, as many of us as can, and probably in future years more of us will be able to come together at one time. And I just think it's very important for us to make a start on having an association to which we could all turn if there's any problems or difficulties, or just for social purposes. So, and especially for the children, I think it's most important for bringing up the children with some sense of their heritage and the traditions, that their traditions would not be left behind in India, in Manipur, in Bangladesh, or wherever, but that the traditions can be transplanted into the new world, and that the most important thing is that the children should not grow up ignorant of their heritage. And it's great for all of us to get together for our own purposes, whether just to meet one another and for speaking native language together and assisting one another if anyone has problems or if anyone has some special needs. I would hope that other members of the association would be available to help out and to make sure that everybody gets a firm foothold in America. But especially, I think we should all be conscious of our responsibility to our children, and that, in my mind, this is the most important reason that we're getting together. So let's all keep the children in mind, and let's give them a good example of togetherness and cooperation and whatever. I know that a lot of times when these associations are starting among other linguistic groups that come from India, there tend to be a lot of political dissension and a lot of arguments that come in the way of real togetherness. So I hope that we won't have that problem with the Manipuri Association, that we'll all manage to agree more or less and try and make a start and give a good example to our children. So, enough said. Now, I would just like to make a presentation. We are very lucky today to have Mrs. M.K. Vinodi with us, and I think most of us are aware of her contributions to the maintenance of the Manipuri culture back in Manipur, and she's now here also on a film project. She's going to be attending a writer's workshop, and we would just like to make a small presentation to her. And I hope that this award, which we've cooked up here, will become a tradition, and every year we'll try and find some other person who has contributed very much to the Manipuri tradition. So today I would like to present to M.K. Vinodi this plaque, and it says, in recognition of outstanding service to Manipuri culture, presented by the American Manipuri Association, 1992.
Oh, yeah.
So, Jupiter brought so many snacks and they're sitting here. Circulate them around. Don't stop.
No, we want that.
You want some?
Oh, I don't have a plate.
But I've had the privilege of going to Nepal on 2 occasions, and I just fell in love with the traditions and the culture and the people, and I'm honored now to be a part of the Manipuri culture through my marriage to Jupiter last November. We went through the traditional Manipuri wedding, and it was an honor. And I'm also very glad that this organization was founded. If we do have children, God willing, someday, I feel this is a great benefit to us to keep our culture together and strong. And thank you for Nava and Isla and everyone that's part of this, bringing everyone together today.
Thank you. Thanks for the speech of Mr. Nassim. Now, I would like to request Ms. DT. Thank you for the valuable speech of Ms. GT.
All right.
Meanwhile, I would like to introduce ourselves. We know Honorable President, Honorable Chief Guest, and Honorable Guest, special guest. Now I would like to request to introduce ourselves. Could you introduce please?
Oh, everybody,
Yeah.
stand up one
So
by
that
one
we
and
know
say your
ourselves.
names. I'm Anita Sinha.
Anita and I have been wed since 20 years.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, very good.
I'm Somi Roy. I live in New York. Zeti and I organize just
Thank you.
Nancy McCardle Youngman. Lisa Jupiter Youngman. We live upstate New York near New Falls area.
Thank you. I think Ms.
Oh, I didn't say.
Thank you. Thank you.
You go. Outside.
What does she want? She doesn't want.
Kau tu kore mesti punero.
Thank you. Anyways, thank you. Next speech.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Profile. Very good.
Oh, good. Great.
He has been living for around 5 months only.
Oh,
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you.
I'm Sunil Sinha. I've been living in this country for the last 20 years.
Thank you.
Anita is my sister.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Drita ke matune ule.
I should.
Drita ke matune.
Anyway, thank you. We all of we know, but we would like to hear something again from this lady, Miss Christel.
She admitted to her identity.
Thank you.
They're too long.
Bigger. Thank you. Excuse me. Mr.
Need to introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
I'm a husband of 2 children. Sorry. No. Hey, me too, Jare. English ka tho nahi the. Ai ki nupim lai, icha nahi lai.
Anyway, thank you.
Watch out the camera.
Excuse me, please take a picture.
Nancy, watch out the camera.
1, 2, 3. Hey, Naveen, stand still. 1, 2, 3. Very good.
Okay, you go there. I'll make it.
Oja Sharmo. Ai, television usi dro. Jare ko. Tao no ai kana je juta pasien na memi. Dikla chato.
Oh, he did his law degree from University of Arizona, but that was after he had been living in Alaska for a long time. And then they had a reciprocal agreement because there's no law school in the University of Alaska. They don't have a law school. So people from Alaska who want to go to a law degree, they go to Arizona and enter the university.
I'm going fishing. Now?
Don't shout, Naveen. Shabby.
Hey, people, don't do that. You're scaring the fish away. You never fished in your life?
Yeah, I fished it. It's not my thing. Take it over there.
Stop!
So the uncle can do what they're Go there. Don't walk with your dirty shoes on this. That's, oh, now he's doing it. Leichin, don't walk on the cloth with your dirty. In Seattle.
I see
My
you.
sister-in-law's
Two
sister
faces.
lives in Seattle. So we stopped there for a few days and visited.
Lang ano?
Then they have some friends. My sister-in-law's sister.
Mine almost ready.
car broke down 2-3 times.
Yeah.
So then more
I'm
delay.
thirsty.
Masi Washington leibo. Aquatic garden hai.
भने पिङ मचुना देखि namun udah nang di fokus gak sih lantai best food
cây thay bác
mấy ăn con
mấy lầu còn
But here's the most really beautiful.
I like
Look at the guys.
mang đi cho tôi
Snake.
It's a real snake. Oh my god.
Snake, watch him. He's going to go in the water. He's lying right there. See a
It's
brown
water
thing
snake?
lying down?
Yeah, it's a water snake.
Snake. Look on this side.
It's a water snake.
Go by Auntie Willie. Go by Auntie
Does
Willie.
he bite?
Go by Auntie Willie. I can show
Any
you the head.
closer than this?
It's a water snake.
It's probably just
No?
There he goes. There he goes. Gone.
It's a water snake. Does he bite?
nè. Na ba hay gì cái hay nè.
New.
New đi nào bảo.
Navin chunaba. No bo any say.
Na ba khana hay gì cái này.
Huh?
Na ba khana hay gì cái này.
Kana the no musuko one.
Nong.
Kana the
Ano ba nong hay bo. Hả?
Hmm?
There's a turtle.
Kana chamni panta.
Come on, let's go on the bridge. Okay. Dad, I'm thirsty.
Yeah, we'll go back.
What?
See?
What? You hold it.
There must be more. Over there? Is that the same thing?
He's not slimy, he's nice. Come! Ding! One, ding! Ding! You're
Come
petting?
the other way. Down.
We saw a big one, Richard.
Did you?
A big, huge snake.
Where?
Remember back there where we saw that big snake? It was
Yeah.
about this one? Where'd you get this one? You picked him up?
Yeah, I was just looking for frogs.
It's a
actually.
garden.
I think it was this kind of snake, but very big. The one we just saw, it looked something like
Dad,
this.
What kind is that?
It's a garter
Dad!
snake.
Come over here and look at this turtle, Red.
Okay. Let's put this guy back.
Can you pick up the turtle?
No, don't pick up the turtle. The turtle is wild. He doesn't want to be disturbed.
Be
No,
quiet.
turtle. He's
Be,
a
be quiet, he might.
he's a water turtle, isn't he? He's not a box turtle.
Dad, I'm too hot.
Red stripes on his
See those red stripes on his front?
He has yellow stripes on his face and red stripes
Oh,
on
he's
his
so
feet.
cute. Get back, Leighton. Russell, put his claws
Yeah,
on
let him
you.
walk. He's looking, where can I find water?
Which way
Come,
is the
Shanti.
water? There you go.
Yeah, he can go that way and get the water.
Where can I find water? Where can I find water? He wants to be on TV.
Running around in circles.
He wants to be on TV.
Oh, maybe that's it. He wants to be on TV. Well, you're on TV now, Mr. Sir.
Do you hear him? He's getting out his head because he wanted to be on TV.
There he goes. There he goes.
Thank you, I am in TV.
There he goes.
Look at his
No,
tail.
I have to go. Bye-bye.
Now
You
he's
know what?
awake.
Turtles aren't really that slow. See how fast he goes? I like turtles. He's not really that slow. He goes pretty fast.
That's what it is.
There he goes. All gone.
All gone.
Oh, now he feels safe.
No.
아주 투나 진족신 떨어지는 거 있거든. 거는 딱이네.
인제 왜 떨리지?
난가요네 시 딥 크릭 레이크 에도 아시네도.
아마 들을 거는 글렌 에커는 왕고 타리.
글렌 에커기 만운데 장판에.
오시기 에리아자.
Let's see here. Let's see here.
네가 가가 하는 거.
Naveen, here, friend. No. It's my turn. Come on. Naveen. here. No, off this one. No, don't push it. No way. Go out, go out. Okay, come on, you and me, come on. Hey, Nobin, come on. Come on here, come on.